Here's how to write a cursive letter A. Starting at the top, we'll go down, all the way back up, down, and give it a tail. Starting up at the top, down, all the way up, down, and give it a tail. Down, up, down, give it a tail. So without the dotted lines, it looks like this. Starting at the very top, I go all the way down with a curve, back up, trace back over, down, and give it a tail. It looks a lot like a lowercase a, but it goes all the way from the top down to the bottom. Down, up, down, tail. When I'm doing a lowercase a, it looks very similar, except for I'm starting at the dotted line. So starting at that dotted line, down, up, down, tail. Down, up, down, tail. Down, up, down, tail. Notice that the lowercase a stays below the dotted line the whole time. So without those dotted tracing lines, looks like this. Down, up, down, tail. Down, up, down, tail. Now you can try. As you go to the words down below, you can just try your best to copy those or move to that page to see how to make those next letters.